Welcome to this review of the Chemical Guys Microfiber Towels. As car enthusiasts, we know that keeping our vehicles clean is essential, and microfiber towels are one of the most important tools in our cleaning arsenal. Chemical Guys is a well-known name in the car detailing industry, and their microfiber towels are highly regarded for their quality and effectiveness. In this video, we'll take a close look at the Chemical Guys Microfiber Towels, examine their features and benefits, and give you our honest opinion on whether or not they're worth your investment. Let's get started. Quality and durability. The first thing that stands out about the Chemical Guys Microfiber Towels is their quality and durability. These towels are made from premium 70/30 blend microfiber, which is ultra soft and gentle on your car's paint. The blend of polyester and polyamide fibers ensures that the towels are tough enough to handle even the most stubborn dirt and grime, while still being gentle enough to avoid scratches and swirls. One of the biggest advantages of the Chemical Guys Microfiber Towels is their durability. These towels are designed to withstand. We've used these towels on dozens of cars, and they still look and feel like new. Additionally, the edges of the towels are finished with a silk banding, which prevents fraying and ensures that they'll last for years. Absorbency and cleaning power. Another key feature of the Chemical Guys Microfiber Towels is their exceptional absorbency and cleaning power. These towels are capable of absorbing up to 7 times their weight in water, which means you can use fewer towels to dry your car. They're also great at picking up dirt and grime, thanks to the dense pile of the microfiber. In addition to their absorbency, these towels are also very effective at cleaning. They are able to trap and hold onto dirt and debris, which means you won't be smearing dirt around on your car's surface. We've used these towels with Chemical Guys' line of cleaning products, and they've proven to be a great combination for getting a spotless finish. Versatility and value. The Chemical Guys Microfiber Towels are not only great for car detailing, but they are also versatile enough to use around the house. We've used these towels for cleaning everything from kitchen countertops to bathroom fixtures, and they've worked great. They are even gentle enough to use on delicate surfaces like computer screens and eyeglasses. When it comes to value, the Chemical Guys Microfiber Towels are hard to beat. They are available in various sizes and quantities, which makes it easy to find the perfect option for your needs and budget. While they are not the cheapest towels on the market, we believe that their quality and durability make them an excellent investment for anyone who's serious about keeping their car clean. Thanks for watching till the end. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. We hope you found this review helpful, and happy detailing!